Hi there, guys. This is Ben from EasyMo Media, the solar marketing specialist. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to talk to you about the seven-figure solar revenue calculator that I put together. It is a free tool that is part of my free seven-figure solar company success kit. You can go to easymomedia.com/solar marketing kit and you can download it for free. And this is one of the tools in that kit. So basically what the seven-figure solar revenue calculator has been created for is to show solar professionals, solar company owners like yourself, how many leads you need to get from where you are revenue-wise to where you want to be. So this is just talking about revenue. We're just going to keep it simple, and I'm going to run through how this tool works. It does automatically update. But let's have a look quickly at the first question. We'll go through it and we'll see a bit of an example here. So what's your current average annual revenue? Say you're at $400,000 a year and you want to hit seven figures. So you want to hit $1 million a year. That means that your revenue gap is $600,000. Okay, so you're at 400, you want to get to $1 million, you need to bridge that gap of $600,000. So how do you do that? How do you know how many leads you need to really bridge that gap to get where you want, to achieve your goals, right? The first thing we really need to understand is what's your average sale value. So this can be quite difficult for a solar company to understand, especially if you do residential and commercial. Okay, so an easy way to do this is look at, hey, we earned $400,000 last year. How many jobs did you complete to get to that point? Whether it's 50, 40, 100, just divide that number of jobs by your annual revenue, and it's going to give you a rough estimate of how much every sale is worth. Okay, so say, for example, if you did residential and commercial, and your average sale was about, say, 25,000, to keep it simple. Okay. Next is your average close rate. So there's different ways to look at this, but I recommend to just keep it simple. So how many customers did you talk to versus how many did you solve? Keep it like that. Okay. So I've got clients that are anywhere from 8 to 15% close rate, depending on how well the sales team basically takes a customer to a paying customer of theirs. So let's say on average, say 10% close rate. We'll just keep the numbers easy. That means that on average, every single lead you talk to is worth $2,500, right? Okay, so the way we do this is because if we have that lead value, then it's easy to calculate how many leads you need to close that revenue gap, right? So average sale is 25,000. The average close rate is 1 in 10. So that means we divide 25,000 by 10 and we get 2,500. Now, since we know that your revenue gap is 600,000 and every single lead that you talk to on average is worth 2,500 because some close, some don't. So 2,500 divided by 600,000 is 240 leads. You need an extra 240 leads per year to be able to get to your goal of seven figures, right? So by doing this, it makes what you need to achieve, how you need to market your company, like how aggressive you need to be with marketing to reach your goals. Now, obviously, the more leads you get, these numbers might change. So just do this every few months. Just be like, hey, are we on track for generating the leads? If there's anything you'd like to see added to this tool, this is a pretty basic tool. I plan to build this out to understand we're getting X amount of leads from SEO, we're getting X amount of leads from ads, door knocking, cold calling, all that kind of stuff. So you can help visualize it better. But let me know what you want to see in this tool, because there's plenty of things that I could add, and I want to make sure that they're helpful to everyone. So once again, if you do want to download this, it is free. You can get a copy. You can make your own copy directly from Google Sheets. Go to easymodemedia.com, Solar Marketing Kit, download now, and you'll have access to this in just minutes. And let me know in the comments below, or you can reach out to me personally if that's easier, to request features, or do you want to see another tool in the Solar Success Kit? I'm more than happy to implement whatever I can to help you guys to give way more value, so you guys can understand how to grow your solar companies consistently. Awesome. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you did enjoy this video, yeah, leave a like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff if you would like to hear more from the Solar Marketing Success Kit and myself. Have a great day.